guys, welcome back for another unboxing. Only a small one, so it'll be a quick video. Right, first of all, Shaverge today is my favourite cider at the moment, Scrumpy Jack. 6%. There you go, Mark. I've already poured it. Cheers guys, all the best. Well, we're halfway through the week. How's your week going, guys? Okay? I hope so. We're halfway to the weekend. We're only 2 days away from another shave. Can't wait. Received a packet yesterday from a very good friend and fellow wet shaving YouTuber, Scott Howard, shaving with peg leg. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel, so go and check him out. He's a no-nonsense guy, really nice guy. Let's get it open. Yeah, he said he was sending it me. Got here quite quick actually, from over the pond. Ooh, samples. Do I need a knife? I didn't think it did, so I didn't bring one. Ooh, first sample. Oh, and a razor. Some blades. We'll go with the first sample. I've never used this. Viennese Maine Made Old Time Barbershop Shaving Shop. Sean Connery's in the house. I look forward to using that. I think I've seen you use this, Scott, haven't I? What's it smell like? I can smell a mint. No, that's not mint. Yeah, there's a barbershop scent there. Look forward to using that. Thanks, Scott. This has got to be the mint. I can smell a menthol. Unless it's the toothpaste. HC&C. Oh, it says on the back. Peppermint shave soap. I said I could smell peppermint, did I? That's nice. I like peppermint. My favourite peppermint up to now is the Taylor Vol Bond Street, the cream. It's a really nice peppermint. Smells like mint imperials, the sweets. Thanks again, Scott. And I've just used these as well in the last shave. PAA's Strangelet. I think I called it the singlet. Strangelet blades. I've just used them and I'm still open-minded about how I feel about them. Razor. The infamous Concord. Thank you so much, Scott. I'm looking forward to use this. I know you really like the razor. Thank you so much. Well, that's it, guys. That was it. Just a quick one. And thank you so much, Scott. Check his channel out. The link's in the description. See you on the next video, guys. All the best. Cheers now.